Hey guys, long time no see. So, haven't done a vlog for a while, but today's a special occasion. I'm back in Thailand, in the Siri apartments, in the new space. And today, we are gonna go to the sticky waterfalls. I have never been. I was gonna ride, but I don't think I can keep up with a crazy fast group. And if I do get lost, I have no idea where the fuck I'm going. So, tsontau crew is for me. Crew's here. Just the ladies and me. I'm off to Mohr.
Man, it is hot today. Oh, it's hot out here, man. It is hot today.
You know it's hot out.
Yeah, I just said that. I said it's hot out here, man.
Yeah, you know it's hot too.
Yeah, that's why I said it, man. It is hot out here.
So this is the crew. Everybody's here.
Hey Phil!
Okay. There's my phone.
Okay, bye.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's go over there. Crew, this way. Emery's our native Thai-speaking person. Everyone else is along for the ride. You can sit in the aisles, you can hang as well.
Alright.
Yeah, no.
Do you want to lay in the aisle?
I'm happy to lay in the aisle, it's cool with me. You want to go through? That's my plan. I'm doing it.
Like.
It's warm, but it's all long. I've never seen one this chocolate before. So, like something. Oh, you need to way up there. Nice, good job.
I know, it's alright.
It's limestone.
But watch out, there is some like algae, so if you see like some grayish greenness, just be weird.
Last year I remember I slipped.
It's just slippy.
It's just like, you're slippy, it's not sticky.
Yeah.
I hate to break it to you.
Made it to the waterfall. Everyone's getting ready. Time to swim, climb, get wet, have fun.
Yeah.
I feel
conquered, we climbed, we did a bit of swimming. Now it's time to go back, do some work, and then go dancing in the evening. Thank you for watching, it's been a pleasure. Next time, slightly maybe longer video, I don't know, okay.
Subscribe to more carbs.
Subscribe to more carbs.
Oh my god, you should say subscribe for more carbs.
Sorted, that's my outro. Subscribe for more carbs. See you later guys, peace.
How do you tame a lion? It was a savvy answer, the repartee argument. You look like a dancer, you can take the east side and I will take the west.